close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters.
Never opened myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say, ooh, and nothing else matters. Trust I seek and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view. Oh, oh, and nothing else matters. Oh, never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. But I know. More from the heart, forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Never cared for what they do. Never cared for what they know. Myself this way. Life is ours, we live it our way. All these words I don't just say,
And nothing else matters.
and nothing else. Trust I see and I find in you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view. And nothing else matters. And nothing else matters. Never cared for what they say. They never cared for what they say. Never cared for games they play. Never cared for what they do. And nothing else matters. Never cared for what they know. But I know. Nothing else. So close, no matter how far. Couldn't be much more from the heart. Forever trusting who we are, and nothing else matters. Ooh. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and it won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got you, baby. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Turn the radio on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Gotta paint my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and I won't be long. Till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash,
But I got you, baby.
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight.
What's up to all my amazing friends out there? Thank you so much to everybody who submitted for this video. This was definitely a labor of love and I tried to get everybody I could in there. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section below and follow me on Instagram and all those other social medias. I love reading your comments, so make sure you leave me one. A huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters and especially my executive producers. Patreon is a great platform that allows me to create videos like this. So if you're interested in supporting these videos, head over to Patreon. I love you all so much and there'll be more videos coming soon. Peace.
Koppen? Hol! B.